How can the summer heat affect your car? The next time you step outside on a scorcher of a summer day and notice how hot it is, just think about how hot your car must be. Even though cars are engineered to run on the warmest of summer days, excess heat puts additional strain on different parts of your vehicle, causing unwanted problems. How the summer heat affects your car. Hotter summer temperatures cause your vehicle to work harder and increase the odds of a breakdown. Keep your fluids topped off, monitor your tire pressure, and keep your battery clean, and you should make it through the summer unscathed. Engine oil thins out in higher temperatures, causing it to provide less protection and making your engine generate more heat. If it gets low or too old, it can cause damage to the engine and components like the radiator or hoses. You'll likely know if you have a coolant issue if your temperature gauge gets too high. Always keep an eye on your fluid levels in the summer. Every 10 degrees Fahrenheit the temperature rises, the air pressure in your tires goes up by about 1 psi. If your tires go even a few psi over the recommended levels, they can start to wear unevenly or even cause an unexpected blowout. When the temperature rises, your battery fluid can actually start to evaporate. The evaporating fluid can also cause acid leaks that will corrode the terminals on the battery. When too much corrosion builds up, the battery will have a harder time starting the car, so always brush away any corrosion you see forming. When you keep up with all of the extra maintenance during the hottest parts of the summer, not only will avoid higher odds of a breakdown, but you'll stay cooler, too. Keeping track of your fluid levels is one of the most important things you can do, but don't forget about your tires and battery as well.